Hi guys, today I would like to show you this Superpower turbo fan that the brand gifted me. This is absolutely amazing. It's so nice and compact and lightweight, but the amount of airflow that comes out of this is beyond impressive. You're going to get attachments with this and they're all very useful. I have been using this all day long. I used this one on my vehicle today and it was impressive that I was able to move dirt and gravel from areas that I cannot get to with the vacuum. And it was super helpful to also have some brushes to use. You are also going to get a little bag for storage. Your attachments are easy to use. They're just twist on and off. And everything on the unit is simple to use. Right on the side, you have your 4 indicator lights for your battery life. On the bottom, you have your charging port for your Type-C charger. And right on the back, when you turn it on, you're going to get 3 indicator lights. 3 is high, 2 is medium, and 1 is low. And this is how you are actually going to turn this unit on. And I am going to tell you it is not extremely loud, and I am going to show you how to use this on a rug that has grooves and leaves and dirt and everything gets stuck in there from the dogs and the kids. And let me show you how this works.